Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've come to you with a story. The story that I'm about to say that you might have somewhere heard it from, or maybe you just read it from a book. So before I will start telling you a story, I would like to tell you that if you want any other topic, you can just go onto my channel and just watch all the videos that I've made. So yeah, and another thing, if you're new on this channel, make sure you share and subscribe this channel. So there's a village, and in that village, husband and wife lived together. They were very poor. They couldn't afford simple things to live in. But who knows what was waiting for them. One day they decided to go to the market and have a goose. Luckily, they got a lucky goose. After coming up from the market, they usually put the goose with them. So after 2 days later, they were a little surprised to see that the goose they bought from the market was very magical, because it lays every day a golden eggs. They were very happy because of their luck. You can call it luck. Suddenly they were becoming very rich and richer day by day. And things was going okay, and they were started living their dreams. But one day, they both, husband and wife, they decided to cut the belly, for hoping that it would be there would be more eggs in the goose belly. But after cut the belly of the goose, they couldn't find anything. So they were very upset and very disappointed what they did. As soon as they cut the belly of the goose died and stopped giving eggs from the next day. It happened just because of their foolishness, and just because of they wanted to more money and get richer. Moral of the story is, never expect all things at once. And what they did from as a learning, you could easily do at your life. So never expect your life to be sudden change. Just work on it, and one day you will see the change will definitely gonna come. That's for the today's video. I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure you share and subscribe this channel. And if you want more this kind of content, just go to my YouTube channel and just watch all the videos that I've made. Till then, thank you.